Alright guys, so again Bhavesh this side back with another video. So guys, in the past I created one video about AI automation agency and I saw like you guys actually had a good feedback about that video. I thought like why not create another video on that. In this video we are going to like niche down a little. We are going to like talk more about like different services you can actually offer to your client and which is my favorite. Obviously I haven't tried anything out, but I was researching and whatever like I researched, like one of the best services I came across is, which I'm going to disclose in this video. Just stick with me. I know you weren't expecting this, but yeah, the service is offering custom chatbots. I know a lot of agency owners out there still offering chatbot services, like building out custom chatbots for like the clients in different niches and whatnot. But right now what different we are going to do is like it's going to be like AI custom chatbots. And like you know, like there's like a lot of new AI technology came in the recent months, right? And you have no idea, neither I have any idea about like what AI has to offer, right? Offering like simple custom chatbots, still you can charge $3,000, $5,000 just for one single custom chatbot. These business owners, roofing business owners, landscaping business owners, all the local business owners, they know how to do business. They know how to make money by running a local based business, brick and mortar business, let's say. They have no idea how to build custom chatbots. At the same time, they want to grow their business too. They want more customers reaching out to them. They have hired agencies to generate leads. They have hired agencies to do SEO for them, Google, let's say, content creation for them, but they're still lacking how they can like capture the leads, how they can automate the backend process, and how they can like nurture all the captured lead, right? And that's what we are going to give them, and that's what we are going to help them achieve. And in order to actually build something like this, guys, obviously you would require a coder, like who knows how to code. But I think there are like some softwares out there through which you can like build out chatbots without any code. So you can, you have to do your research before you get into something like this. If we offer them like a custom chatbot for their website through which they can capture all the leads, that chatbot is going to automate everything: lead submissions, capturing their information, sending them emails, sending them text, sending them video tutorials, Q&A, connecting them to a real human and whatnot, like everything possible you can think of. When we run a like traditional marketing agency like I'm personally running, we have to actually close the appointment first, then we need to close the client, and client has no idea what do we like, how do we work, and like the results are completely uncertain. They always have this fear in mind, like what if like the results doesn't generate, if we don't get any results, is there any refund policy or not? What you can do is you can hire a freelancer. Obviously guys, it's going to require some kind of a upfront investment. Hire a freelancer, get a top-notch AI chatbot creator. Have just one chatbot which is so exceptionally well, has a lot of features, a ton to offer, and it should offer something like which can blow up the mind. Like, oh, is it even possible? Something like this, right? Like shocking your clients, right? Once you have that chatbot ready with that freelancer, get that one of your chatbots, reach out to the client and just ask him, hey man, would you be interested in setting up an AI custom chatbot for your website? He'll be like, yeah, what's up? Can I preview it? Send that custom chatbot website link, let him interact with the chatbot, and let that custom chatbot blow your client's mind. Once he sees the value itself in that custom chatbot, he'll be like, yeah, let's do it. How much do you charge? $5,000 upfront. Boom, there's your first client. So you have to understand one thing: once you offer services and deliverables like these, because this is not a service, like this is not a Facebook ad service, this is like a custom deliverable. It's like the results are guaranteed. It's like your clients are actually testing it beforehand, right? But when we run Facebook ads, it's like they have no idea how we are going to turn out, right? Whether we are going to generate leads or not. So my entire point is like you will be tapping in an industry where you have to deliver a product. You have to deliver a product instead of a service. Like you can say it's like some kind of service, but to be honest, it's more like of a product which you can like showcase upfront without charging anything. Your clients can test it out, like roofing company owners can test it out, like, yeah, this is working good. I think I should set something up like this for my roofing business, for my roofing website. the other day I was like on a call with a prospect, find a big prospect, and he ended up like booking another follow-up call, and we will be charging him $10,000. That's going to be a big client. But anyways, so I was shocked myself to see one thing, like his custom AI chatbot also joined the call, right? So there were actually in total of 3 people, right, including me, but there was 4th user in the Zoom, and that was his custom chat. And I was shocked, like how as a person that particular AI chatbot joined that Zoom call, and literally that particular chatbot was taking notes. I'm saying live notes. I had the screen open and that chatbot was taking live notes. Whatever the important and key things I was saying, that chatbot was taking notes. I was shocked, guys. If business owners out there who will be shocked like this, they're sold already on your server. So you have to come up with these kind of chatbot. And I asked him, man, like I'm kind of intrigued with like this kind of chatbot, and he was like, you can also do the same. So there's a website known as otter.ai, right? You can check that out and you can do something like that. Like you can have a custom chatbot which will join Zoom calls with you and take notes for you, right? So you don't have to take any notes. So it's crazy, guys, just anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope I tried to deliver something different on my channel, and if you did found it some, you know what to do. Drop your feedback and like the video. Do subscribe to the channel, guys, because in the upcoming months there's going to be a lot of improvements on the agency side. Like I'll be launching a course. I think today's 10th of July, so my course will be launched on 28th, maybe in the next 5-6 days. So make sure to join the Facebook group, because this particular course that I've created for you guys, it's going to completely change like how you see SMMA world. And I've created so many mindset videos you cannot think of. To be honest, there are 3 mindset videos, but these are in their videos. I've literally covered down what exactly I used to do, how I used to manifest and whatnot, in order to like actually succeed in my life, especially with this marketing agency business. Everything is covered in those videos, so it's going to be an amazing course for you guys. I think in the comment section too, you can visit the waiting list page. The cost of the course initially is going to be $297 for the first 10 people, and after a month, after getting some feedback, I'm going to try to increase it to maybe like $500-600, but I have no idea about it right now. But yeah, the starting price would be $297. So in the comment section, you are going to find a link to just join the waiting list. As soon as we just roll it out, you will get a notification via email. So I'm very excited for that as well, guys. This month we are aiming to hit $100,000. So far so good, I'm not going to complain. So again, join the Facebook group to see what I'm up to. Yeah, guys, a lot of new things coming up. Very excited. Stay happy, stay healthy, and all the very best, and don't forget to take action. Bye.